I need more light.
Sorry.
Can we turn on this light over here?
Gerald? Can you flip the pages here for me? Thank you. I'm sorry. Cord said she'd read the script, but she didn't. What do you? No, that's me. Oh yeah, I knew that.
Can you turn that light on over here?
What do you want to do today?
Perfect.
I want Yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Achoo! You go flying back. You did. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop. Achoo! Sneezing. Uh-oh. What if? Sorry, am I being in your way? What if I'm allergic to pig? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald. No, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye. Gerald? Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. And I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I'm sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news! I have a cold! Good for you. No, that's me. Oh, yeah. Good for you. Look, there's that. And we were going to do... This is like our... These are like
that is so great.
No, we're going to do our...